Welcome back to another OTD unboxing video. Today I have for you the 2025 Hot Wheels Car Culture FPY86J case. So this case comes over from One Stop Diecast. Thank you again, One Stop Diecast, for supplying me with all the Car Culture mixes for 2025. I'm going to bust open this case and see what we got inside. So this Mix J is Fast Wagons. We haven't seen Fast Wagons since 2021, and with Fast Wagons, yeah, we'll get a nice assortment of wagons, I guess. So, one thing to note about Fast Wagons, obviously we haven't seen it since 2021. We do get, well, let's just pop open the case and see what's inside. The cases from One Stop Diecast have been loaded with chase pieces. Let's pull out and see just what we got. We did not get the chase piece, so that continues the run of no chase pieces for my luck in 2025 here, but that's okay. I see a lot of people have been ordering from onestopdiecast.com, and they have been getting the chases, so congrats to them. Let's take a closer look at the cars in this mix, though. So we have the brand new casting, the Audi RS6 Avant. It is, yeah, like I said, a brand new casting, just that. Not to be confused with the 17 Audi RS6 Avant, which was actually in the last series in 2021. This is just a newer model of the Audi, and you can see you'll probably see it most in the grille design, because that's usually what tends to be updated the most on any kind of new car model every year, is the front fascia and everything like that, at least in terms of the most noticeable upgrades. So you're watching it on the turntable with the old one. Like I said, it was in the 17 was in the Fast Wagons mix in 2021. This one obviously is a new model. So great new model there in white. If I would have got the chase, it would have been black, but it had different wheels. Yeah, but we'll move on. We'll acquire that one down the road. The next one out of the case is the Volvo 850 Estate. So this is the lone carryover that we do get in this mix. If you remember this model, I think it was actually the premium debut for the Volvo 850 Estate. Remember, it was kind of like that pale yellow, and it was just a clean deco. This is more racing inspired, obviously. Let's get the number 25 on the hood. You got a little Volvo logo on top, and yeah, it kind of looks almost like that that livery that was famous. If you remember the famous photo of this one in the 1994 BTCC on two wheels round in that corner, but it's not really that deco. It's just blue and white. It's similar but not close, but it looks like it may have been done. It could have been done in homage to that deco. Okay, the next one out of the case, we have the 1970 Chevel SS Wagon. So if you remember, back in 2021, we got the 64 Nova station wagon, right? Now we get another American muscle in the 1970 Chevel SS Wagon. And look at that awesome kind of shop car look to it with the Yenko. It's kind of like a Yenko delivery vehicle. Very good release of this model. Not sure. I mean, we've had several releases of this. I think it was in classics, yeah. But this one is up there. If you collect this casting, I think this one has to be up there for you. No top deco. Kind of seems like there should be a top deco. Am I just okay? Just making sure that I wasn't missing one on this one. But yeah, that is a nice piece. Very surprised. Well, not surprised, but very delighted, I guess you could say, that just a nice execution of that model. It's been out for quite some time. Speaking of models that have not been out for quite some time, we get the second release of the Subaru Forester STi. So if you remember, we saw it in Modern Classics last year in that patented blue, like that metal flake blue for Subaru. Now we get it in a silver, which, I mean, I can recall these floating around back in the day and back in the early 2000s in blue and silver quite often. So another color that came pretty much factory on the Subaru Forester STi, but it just looks nice. It's just a clean deco with the black rims. Very nice on this one. So, second release of this casting. Good to see it in Fast Wagons. I think this could be a popular car in the future. It's very just nicely done casting. And the last one out of this mix is the Mercedes-Benz E36 AMG. We get this is speaking of newer models. This is the third release of this casting, the Mercedes station wagon. Infamously, it was done that first time in Boulevard without those bottom door lines, if you remember correct, that kind of instance. And then it was done again in Boulevard in white. Was that just last year, I think? And it was that issue was corrected on the casting, and obviously it's going to be corrected going forward. So, but this is all red. So we have a black, white, and a dark red here of this casting. So nice to see this Mercedes-Benz appear in Fast Wagons. But just another new model. And yeah, I mean, it's a good mix. Good mix of cars. I know a lot of collectors are looking ahead to Circuit Legends, which will be next in the car culture world. But let's not overlook Fast Wagons. This one is appearing at retail now. I was actually surprised to see it appearing at retail and through hobby dealers almost at the same time. Again, you get one brand new model in that Audi RS6 Avant. You get two newer models, great rendition of the Yenko, and you get a premium Volvo A50 in that really cool racing livery. Let me know what's your favorite. Let's talk in the comments. And you can let me know, and we can talk there. Thank you again. Thank you as always for watching. Thank you again to One Stop Diecast for supplying this case. Make sure you check out One Stop Diecast. I think there still are a few of these cases available through One Stop Diecast, and a lot of other people have experienced quite a bit of luck get ordering those. So scoop those up if you get a chance. All right. Thank you for watching. Bye.